determine if the new 2-inch conduit can be added to the existing current transformer box, we need to calculate the conduit fill. We have existing conduits that include a 3-inch, 2-inch, and 1-inch. Then we have a separate 2-inch, another 2-inch, and then another 2-inch. This makes the total of existing conduits a 3-inch, 2-inch, 1-inch, 2-inch, 2-inch, and 2-inch, equaling 12 inches. The new conduit is 2 inches. The National Electrical Code requires that the conduit fill not exceed 40% of the interior cross-sectional area of the current transformer box. The interior volume of the current transformer box is calculated by length times width times height, which in this case is 24 inches times 30 inches times 11 inches, equaling 7,920 cubic inches. The allowable conduit fill area is 40% times the volume. 40% of 7,920 equals 3,168 square inches. To calculate the conduit fill percentage, we need to find the total area of all conduits in the box, including the new one. Total conduit area equals the sum of all conduits, including the new conduit, times pi times the radius squared. This is 6 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches plus 2 inches multiplied by pi multiplied by 1 squared. This is 14 multiplied by pi multiplied by 1 equaling approximately 44 square inches. The conduit fill percentage is the total conduit area divided by the allowable conduit fill area multiplied by 100. 44 divided by 3,168 multiplied by 100 is approximately 1.39%. Since the conduit fill percentage is less than 40%, the new 2-inch conduit can be added to the existing current transformer box without violating the National Electrical Code requirement.